Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need windshield repair, a new paint job or touch-up, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota, you'll receive prompt, courteous service from a staff dedicated to quality for our customers in the products and services we provide. Visit us at www.alexandriatoyota.com to schedule a service appointment, become a fan on Facebook, and find out about our specials before anyone else. Take advantage of our internet specials and start saving now. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota is located at 3750 Jefferson Davis Highway in Alexandria, Virginia.